First of all, let me say that 90% of the videos that you watch on YouTube, that you watch on TikTok telling you how to make money fast are crap. You will not make a dime. I've been there on the receiving end. I've made some of these videos and everyone is doing it either for clout or for views. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the easiest way. And when I say easy, I'm not saying the easiest way to make money, but the easiest way to start making money online if that is what you wish for. So if you are working a 9-to-5 job, maybe you're looking for a way to build an online business, the best way to do it today in 2022 when you're watching this, or in 2023, it doesn't matter when you watch this. These principles are solid, they're timeless, and they will work for you even in 10 years time. So pay attention in this video because I'll be sharing with you the exact things that I did, still doing, and that thousands of people will be doing if they want to make money online. I'm Daniel. I've been working online for the past 2 years and I've been a full-time digital nomad for the last 1.5. And I'm in Albania right now, which is where I make all these videos from, and I'll be here for say another 1 month, after which I'll be going somewhere else. But that's not the point. The point is that if you're trying to make money online in 2022, you need to leverage something. Either you leverage time or you leverage money. And I think right now, time is the easiest thing to leverage. If you don't have money, you definitely have time. Now, when I was still working in a warehouse, I worked in a warehouse for about 3 years. When I moved to the United States, I didn't have any means to get work. I mean, legally, of course. But then I resorted to getting paid under the table. And one of the things I did was work in the warehouse. So when I did this for a while, I realized this is not what I want to be doing. This is not what I want to spend my life doing. So what did I do? I started learning a new skill, which is the first lesson in this video. If you don't have a skill that you can offer to other people as a value, you're not going to make money. If you're watching all these online videos right now telling you to go on ClickBank and just pick a product and start, spamming Facebook groups and, Reddit comments and all these things, they're just crap. Everybody's just kowtowing to YouTube algorithm trying to get some keywords to pop off. But the real way to make any money, to get anyone to pay you money, is by leveraging your skill, by offering something to them. What is it that you can do right now? Are you good with social media? Are you good at writing? Are you good at photography? Are you good at web design? What is it that you can do for other people that they can pay you money for? So when I realized that I was backed up against the wall, what I started doing was learn how to build websites. So when I left my warehouse job in the evening around 6 or 7, I would get home and I would learn. I would watch YouTube videos and see other people out there were building websites with WordPress, and I would start marketing myself to local businesses within my area. And I was able to get a few jobs after doing that for a few weeks. In fact, when I got my first website design, I didn't really have the confidence to build a website, and I built it to some extent, and I took the money that I got from the client. I was paid $500 from the client, and I went on Fiverr. This was before everybody started talking about drop servicing and all these things. I already knew what drop servicing was. So I was already doing drop servicing before it became a thing on YouTube. I took $500 from the client and I went on Upwork and I got the website done for $80. The website came out great. I delivered to the client and I pocketed the rest of the money. Now, is this a ethical thing to do? Is this an ethical thing to do? I believe yes, because I promised the client one thing and I delivered the exact thing that I promised them. Of course, if I wanted to spend my time going to learn how to build websites, I could have done that. But at that moment in time, it wasn't the best use of my time, and I just leveraged money that I had from the client by hiring someone to do it for a cheaper amount, and I pocketed the rest. Now, this is one thing that you can do. If you can learn the skill, fine. You can learn the skill, then you can even charge more. But if you cannot learn the skill, maybe it's not something you want to do, then you can leverage your money. That is the first way. The second way is to go on websites like Upwork and Fiverr and go leverage your skill on there. Now, one of the biggest hurdle that you would come across when trying to build an online business, whether you're trying to build a freelance business or an affiliate marketing business or a social media marketing business, is getting people to see exactly what you have to offer. If you're trying to build an affiliate marketing business, you still need traffic. If you're trying to build a social media marketing business, you need clients. You need to market yourself. If you're trying to build, if you're trying to get jobs, get an online job, you still need to put yourself in front of people. So one thing remains very unique to all of these things. It is people. How do you get people to see you? How do you get people to see what you have to offer? Now, if you have a skill, whatever skill that you have, you remember in step 1, we talked about learning a skill. Now, step 2 is to find people who are in need of those skills. Now, the best way I believe you can do that, the easiest way that people overlook, is to go on job websites, to go on freelance website. Now, Upwork is the #1 freelance website in the entire world. I mean, Fiverr is also one, but I always recommend going on Upwork, because on Fiverr, you only find bottom of the barrel, low paying customers. If you are looking for people who are going to hire you based on whether or not you have experience, then you can go on Fiverr, but the competition is going to be really stiff. But if you're looking for high paying clients, something that you can do long term, that I would recommend that you go on Upwork. In fact, all of my high paying clients that I've had till date, I found on Upwork. Now, what is Upwork? It's the #1 job website in the world, freelance website in the world. And Upwork is just a place that brings you as a freelancer to people who need your service. Say, for example, you need social media skill, or you have digital advertising skill like I do. All I have to do is create a profile on Upwork, optimize my profile, and set an amount that I will be willing to collect. Now, if someone finds my profile, if they posted jobs, for example, this person posted that they need an organic Instagram growth expert, and they want to pay $975 for this person. Now, if you are that person, maybe you spend all day on Instagram, you know how to grow accounts. This is an example of a job that I would apply to. Now, if you look at this job, for example, the payment is verified. This person has already spent some money, meaning they are verified. They are a proven customer. They've actually paid someone on the platform before. So you know for a fact that this person is not a tire kicker. They are an actual client. So right now there's about 5 to 10 proposals. Now Upwork shows you how many people have actually proposed to this project. There's about 5 to 10 of them. Now, if you click on this profile, you will be able to submit your own proposal as well. A proposal simply means that you will propose why you are the best fit for the job, what you want to be paid for this project, and how frequently do you want to be paid. Do you want to be paid one time, or do you want to be paid based on milestone? Now, your proposal is going to determine whether or not you get hired for the job. Now, this is where it gets tricky. A lot of people apply to just one job. They never get a response and they move on. They say Upwork does not work. Now, what I recommend is that you apply to as many jobs as you can, because at the end of the day, it's just a game of numbers. And remember, you're not the only person applying to these jobs. So you want to make sure that you are applying to jobs constantly and regularly, and you're writing a proposal in such a way that will enable someone to hire you. It's a different video on its own, and I've made several trainings about it, how to build an Upwork profile, how to write a proposal that gets you a job. Now, if you want to get access to that, I'll leave a link down in the description. I created a training program that teaches you how to do just exactly that. Now, if you want access to it, I'll leave a link down in the description. So Upwork is a way to do that. Also, you can use Fiverr to get clients. I've seen people who have built out entire agencies based on just Fiverr and Upwork. Now, these are the ways through which you can do it. It's either you leverage your time or you leverage your money. Well, I mean, it doesn't matter how much time you spend watching all those videos that tells you can make quick money in 5 minutes a day, or doing nothing, just laying on your bed. Don't listen to any of those videos. Don't waste your time watching those videos, because they will simply just waste your time. Now, if you want more help on how to get started online, I will have a link in the description that takes you to that training. And if you have more questions, if you have any question at all on how to get started online, how to start making money, how to start traveling while freelancing, leave them in the comments, or you can reach out to me on Instagram. It's going to be ifdanieldid, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. Again, if you found any value in this video, consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.